The 2026 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante, an 824 HP twin-turbo V12 convertible, delivering track-level thrills with open-air grace. '26 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante powertrain, legendary V12 revived, under the sleek hood. A completely re-engineered 5.2L twin-turbo V12 produces 823 to 824 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque, available from 2,000 to 5,000 RPM. Paired to a rear-mounted 8-speed ZF automatic and an electronic rear differential, it rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and tops out at 214 miles per hour, making it the fastest front-engine convertible on the planet. 2026 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante, convertible without compromise. Despite gaining just 209 pounds over the coupe, Aston's engineers maintained 75% more stiffness than the previous DBS Volante, retaining coupe-like agility. The K-fold fabric roof opens in 14 seconds, closes in 16, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, operable via key fob, preserving elegant proportions and emotional impact. 2026 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante dynamics and chassis, adaptive Bilstein DTX dampers, multi-link suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes give the Volante surprising composure and cornering capability despite its size, supported by an ultra-responsive E-differential and a refined stability suite. It offers 3 drive modes, GT, Sport, Sport Plus, and 4 stability settings, letting drivers tailor every experience from cruiser to canyon carver. The cabin and luxury ambience. Inside, the Volante mirrors the coupe with 2 high-resolution displays, 10.3 each, physical drive mode switches, and exquisitely crafted leather and carbon trim. The only visible addition is the roof control button car and driver. Available features include optional titanium exhaust, ultra-luxury seating, and bespoke luggage, emphasizing both comfort and exclusivity. The Australian Plus 2 car and driver Plus 2 high consumption Plus 2. The final verdict, Grand Tourer masterpiece 2026 Vanquish Volante isn't just a convertible, it's a chapter in GT history. With Ferrari-crushing V12 power, open-top drama, and handcrafted luxury wrapped in a limited production masterpiece, it redefines what a flagship convertible can be. Is this better than a Bentley Continental GTC Speed or Ferrari 12-cylindry Spider? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more super luxury car reviews.